had a funny feeling we would find this. What do we use to manipulate people, folks? What do we talk about? What do we talk about all the time? We talk about gaps. And why do we gap price, everybody? We gap price because it creates huge price movements from the open to the close, typically from the close to the open or the open to the, so from the open to the close, that's the way prices should move. However, from when a market closes and it opens at a new higher price, that just generates a lot of excitement. That is exactly what we see here. So what are these two areas? What are they, everybody? Giant gaps. What's interesting about these giant gaps is that one has already filled. Look at price. Look at what price has done. Price has filled the gap. Do I believe price will fill this gap? You know, in companies like this, I'm going to call this a meme stock, and things that act so erratically, typically no. But I'm going to go ahead and think that, yeah, they probably are, because this is the first trip they're taking with this stock. This is the first trip up and the first trip down. They're probably going to want to do this several times, make as much money as they can, and get out of the way. Okay, so what have we learned? We have learned that technical analysis, aka the story of the stock market, using supply and demand and cash flow, is the ultimate driver of price, not a company's earnings. We have learned what trend following is. So trend following is nothing more than lots of people piling on to something, typically in an irrational behavior. The prices are going up, so they pile on. That's just following the trend. The third thing we wanted to learn today was how price easily manipulates you. Why would anyone thinking rationally take a stock that was trading at $11 2 weeks ago, pay $60 at the open of the market 2 days ago? Why would they pay 600% premium in 2 weeks for a company that is doing nothing? Irrational behavior based on a price movement because they got excited, because they had FOMO, because they were missing the boat.